Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Just like at night, we are sleeping on our nice apartment, but the subtle body takes me away on the top of a mountain. Sometimes you see I come in dream. I have come on the top of a mountain, very high, and I am falling down. Although actually my gross body is sleeping in a nice, comfortable apartment. But the subtle body carries me. You have got daily experience. Similarly, death means this gross body will change. That's like you have got a certain coat. So you change the coat, but you keep your shirt. You do it, generally. Similarly, I keep my subtle body and I give up my gross body. That is called death. And I am carried by the subtle body in the womb of another mother by the laws of nature, and I develop another gross body, material supplied by the mother. And when the body is prepared, I come out of the womb of mother and I work again with that subtle and gross body. And Bhagavad Dharma means that we have to transcend both the gross and subtle body, come to the spiritual body. It is very scientific. And as soon as we come to the spiritual body, mukta sangha, being free from the gross and subtle body, we come to a real body, spiritual body, then actually we feel happiness and independence. So this process of Krishna consciousness is the highest benediction for the human society, because it is trying to bring the human being to the platform of spiritual body, transcending the gross and subtle material body. That is the highest perfection. Human life is made for coming to that platform, the spiritual platform, transcending the gross and material bodily concept of life. And that is possible. It is made easy in this age called Kali. It is not very good time. Simply disagreement, fighting, quarreling, misunderstanding, this age is full of all these happenings. Therefore, to come to the spiritual platform is very difficult in this age. Formerly, it was not so difficult. People were very easily trained up by the Vedic process. But now the people are not interested. They are simply interested with the gross body, or a little more with a little advance, the subtle body. But they have no information of the spiritual body. Although there is advancement of education, there is no education about the spiritual body. They are simply concerned with the gross material and subtle body. Therefore this movement, Krishna consciousness movement, is very important movement. Those who have taken to this Krishna consciousness movement, they are very, very fortunate.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare